Mexico has approved a new tariff regime that will raise import duties on goods from countries without a free trade agreement. The Senate cleared the measure to take effect from January 1, 2026. The revised structure covers over 1,400 product categories and impacts major exporters like India and China. Countries with existing FTAs such as the United States, Canada, and the European Union are exempt from these increases. But what is the main reason behind this decision and how will this impact India? Well, let's break it down. The new tariff structure imposes duties ranging from 5% to 50% on more than 1,460 imported items. The highest rates of 50% apply to certain goods, while others face lower rates between 5 and 35%. Key sectors affected include automobiles, machinery, steel, chemicals, textiles, footwear, electrical equipment, and plastics. And what's the reason behind this move? Well, Mexico aims to protect domestic industries and employment from cheap imports, particularly from China. Chinese goods, including products manufactured inside Mexico and routed to the US, have been under scrutiny. The move also aligns with US pressure over Chinese exports entering the American market via Mexico. Further, the new tariffs are expected to generate about 70 billion pesos annually. So what will be the impact on India? Well, India exported about $8.9 billion worth of goods to Mexico in 2024. Key sectors affected include automobile, electrical equipment, machinery, steel, textiles, and pharmaceuticals. Passenger vehicles face a steep 50% duty, putting $1.8 billion worth of car exports at risk. Auto components, steel, textiles, and chemicals will also see significant tariff increases, potentially reducing India's exports by 25 to 40%. Notably, Indian exporters attempted to prevent the tariff move before it was approved, and now India is engaging diplomatically to explore FTAs or sector-specific agreements. Now, while Mexican industries and government revenue may benefit, exporters from India, China, and other non-FTA countries face higher costs, and Mexican consumers could see price increases for imported goods. What are your thoughts on this? Do comment and let us know. Till then, keep watching India TV.